Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play offline in Mobile Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you have downloaded all the downloadable content in the game. Open Mobile Legends while connected to the internet and allow any additional resources or updates to fully install. This step is important because the offline mode will only appear if all essential files are already stored on your device. Once everything is downloaded, completely close the game. Then, turn off your internet connection, either by switching to airplane mode or disabling Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, relaunch Mobile Legends. After waiting for at least 1 to 2 minutes on the loading screen, the Play Offline option will appear on your screen. Tap on Play Offline, and the game will load into offline mode. From here, you can select your preferred mode to play. So that's basically how you can play offline in Mobile Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.